Install the circular controller on the metal bump of the electrode sheet. Peel off the protective film on the electrode sheet. Place the electrodes on the abdomen. Press Tab to start the machine. The massage controller has 5 modes to choose from, each with 29 forces. Start from first gear, then press Tab gradually. Increase the intensity and choose the right strength. If the force is too strong, press to reduce the force. Press the sign to turn off the machine. Remove the controller at the end of use. Tear off the electrode sheet. Attach the protective film back to the electrode sheet. Install on the arm. Arm massage. The product has an automatic protection function which will automatically stop after continuous use for 15分钟 use. Don't use it for more than 30分钟 use a day.